Some viewers may recognize this giant sledgehammer from a short we did, and this is what you call Gallagher's Sledge-O-Matic. We needed a giant sledgehammer. We did lop off the top so we could fit it places, but it had a problem the other day. So now we get to fix it. I don't think that's too bad. Almost burnt through right there. I felt it almost give. Plenty strong for what we're doing. In normal situations, I would probably use a shorter version of this GRK and just stick it in a few holes that I drilled around the edge. But since I'm in YouTube world, I just so happen to have these, which look a lot cooler. Now I'm going to try to just pound them straight through the metal because I think I can. But if we can't, we're gonna go ahead and drill out a hole. It worked! I know, it's a little stupid, but I like it way too much, so we're gonna do it. And think of it this way, if I miss and hit my fingers, you'll get to see it on camera and laugh at me. I should have done this first and then welded it. Because if I had gone around the edges, then cut it, it would have been a little bit tighter to the mallet face. I am legitimately concerned for my fingers, so I'm going to get a set of vice grips. Okay, couldn't find vice grips, but we're going to use a regular set of pliers. Because I do like my fingers. It's not even damaging the nail that much. I mean, it is square cut, so it kind of tears the metal. I'm way too happy about this. So here's why I decided to switch to pliers, is because once you punch through the metal, it gives and wants to smush whatever's in between the nail head and the hammer. Oh, now it's loose on the stick. Oh, come on. It doesn't rain, it pours. Okay, I got a plan. This will work. I should turn off the camera before I run to get tools. We'll see how long that head lasts. How did I manage to get all 3 wedges stuck? There we are. Whole new meaning to the meaning of live edge. This log has been sitting here for probably a month, and it hasn't figured out it's dead. That is a very clean split. Yeah, we're gonna squish something. That's way more fun than I thought it would be. Let's get another one. We have to get another one. Okay, chicken, quiet. Bird, you're not laying an egg. You're fine. This was not scripted. Shush! This is not what I had in mind for content.